Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. We are approaching the 2026 tourist season, and today is the 1st of November, and the boats are showing up. Quite a few boats in here. We are at the Yacht Haven Marina, and today I'm starting a project painting the garage door of a mega yacht. So as we walk down the dock, I'll show you a project that we started just today. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, stay tuned. So in the background is this mega yacht that we're gonna be painting the garage door of this mega yacht. It's a little challenging job, but we're never afraid of challenges. On the dock we have all our supply boxes. We got some benches if needed, we got a ladder if needed, all our tools, all our supplies. Stepping on board now. Here we got our own power supply, the anchor Solix, and we got our first tool, and we're getting ready for sanding this entire garage door. Stay tuned, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. So we are sanding, and there was a bunch of blisters everywhere. You see those marks. That's where I did some repairs on the blisters. Fill them in with some filler, and then we will sand and apply some 545 primer. We are washing down the surface with soap and water so we could apply 545 all grip primer. All those little repairs were done using West System with some 410 filler. So we have all our drop cloth set up already, and we're getting ready to roll on some 545 primer. So it's important when painting to take all the precautions to not have any spill on those expensive boats. So that's why I use small bins and keep my trays inside the small bin. And drop cloth is everywhere, so that way you minimize any spills and causing more damage than good. Here we are applying some 545 all grip primer, and we will apply 2 coats over the entire surface. As you can see, I'm spot priming first over all the repairs, and then I will go over the entire surface with 2 coats of 545 primer. So we just finished priming this area, and we get 2 coats of primer on all the spots, and tomorrow we will sand and get ready for top coat. Today we got the garage door up and we are sanding the primer with 320 grit sandpaper, and hopefully this afternoon, as soon as the sun leaves that area, we're gonna apply the first coat of top coat. Stay tuned, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. After sanding, the process continues. Wash down with soap and water. So we're getting ready for painting, and it's almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Now normally I would say that we paint at 5-6 a.m. in the morning. That's the best time to paint. Well, I'm working on this boat that at 7 a.m. in the morning the sun is hitting that transom area, that garage area. You're right there. The sun hits that garage from 6:37 a.m. in the morning. So that's not the best time to paint, and it's a very wide surface. So this time of the afternoon, as you could tell, the sun is going right over, and that side of the boat will have no sun, direct sunlight in the next 15-20 minutes. So that's the best time to paint the garage door. So it's all sanded, it's already washed down. I'm gonna wipe down with some solvent and use a tack rag and mix the paint, put down my drop cloth and get going on it. So Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we offer you all the professional tips on painting. Stay tuned. This is such a wide surface, it's almost impossible to roll and tip this surface. So we have to do the professional rolling with no tipping, and pay close attention to the technique in rolling using that paint pole, extension pole, so we get full access to the entire garage door, which is about 9 feet tall by about 14 feet wide. So it's a very wide surface, and the technique is applying just the right amount of pressure to the roller to disperse the paint, and after that a little less pressure just to smooth it out and allow it to flash. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Stay tuned. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please show your support. We at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we provide all the professional tips in painting. We are all grip and Alexseal specialists. We are licensed and certified. Licensed, insured and certified. So hit the subscribe button and show your support. Thank you. So we just complete the first coat on this garage door. Very happy with the first coat. Very challenging, but at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance we are not afraid of challenges. Check it out. Tomorrow we will sand, wash down and apply a second coat. Looks good for the first coat. And the work continues. We are sanding the first coat with 400 grit sandpaper and getting ready to apply the second coat of top coat. We're using the fast tool so there's no dust. So the process continues. Wash down with soap and water for the final coat of top coat. Here we are wiping down with some solvent and then a tack rag and mixing up the paint for painting. Stay tuned, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Here we are applying the final coat on this garage door, and it's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Best time to paint. The sun has gone over and there's no direct sunlight hitting the transom area. And pay attention to the technique once again, where we apply the right amount of pressure to disperse the paint onto the surface, and then we lessen the amount of pressure just to smooth it out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. When you sail the ocean blue, we're by your side. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we take pride. With 25 years, we're the best in the game. Licensed and insured, we're building our name. We work smarter and not harder, that's our plan. On the Caribbean waves, we're the best in the land. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where the waves dance. Quality service, we're your best chance. For all your yacht needs, we're here to say, trust in our crew, we'll lead the way. For bright work shining like the sun on the sea, with all grip and Alexseal, meticulous and free. From varnish to paint, we'll make your boat glow. In St. Thomas we thrive, where the warm breezes blow. The trained professionals, ready to take charge. Call Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we'll help you go large. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where the waves dance. Quality service, we're your best chance. For all your yacht needs, we're here to say, trust in our crew, we'll lead the way. So when you're out sailing, just know you're in good hands. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, together we'll make plans. When you sail the ocean blue, we're by your side. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we take pride. With 25 years, we're the best in the game. License that ensure you're building our name. We work smarter and not harder, that's our plan. On the Caribbean waves, we're the best in the land. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we have dance. Quality service, be your best chance. For all your yacht needs, we're here to say, trust in our crew, we'll lead the way. For bright work shining like the sun on the sea, with all grip and Alexseal, meticulous and free. From varnish to paint, we'll make your boat glow. In St. Thomas we dive, where the warm breezes flow. The trained professionals, made to take charge. Call Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we'll help you go large. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where the waves dance. Quality service, we're your best chance. For all your yacht needs, we're here to help. Trust in our crew, we'll lead the way. So when you're out sailing, just know you're in good hands. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, together we'll make plans.
Institute of Technology, I am a proud product of Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we are in the business of working smarter, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, working smarter